Good morning, Morgan. And good morning to any of Morgan's friends that are joining us for this video this morning. All right, we're going to continue talking about packages, specifically how to navigate up and down the data structure of the package. All right, and with that, we're going to start the video, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to put my spin on what they're talking about.
Python Training Video 37. Intra package references. When packages are structured into subpackages, as with the sound package in the example, you can use absolute imports to refer to submodules of siblings packages. For example, if the module sound.filters.vocoder needs to use the echo module in the sound.effects package, it can use from sound.effects import echo. You can also write relative imports with the from module import named form of import statement. These imports use leading dots to indicate the current and parent packages involved in the relative import. From the surround module, for example, you might use from. Note that relative imports are based on the name of the current module. Since the name of the main module is always __main__, modules intended for use as the main module of a Python application must always use absolute imports. Sound /__init__.
All right, now, hopefully that made some sense to you, but it's okay if it didn't, because how you're going to use this information is later. See, we're planting a seed here today, make you aware of this. But when this is going to become useful is when you're out in the field and you're coding and you go like, hey, I need to import something from a package. Then what you do is go back, watch the video again, okay? Use it as a reference, and this will reinforce everything you're learning now. That's how this is. This is an iterative process. Okay, you're going to be reading and rereading this the whole time, and every time you do, you're going to learn a little something more. You're going to get a little deeper insight into the technology. Okay, now, all right. So it talks about what language are they using to describe this? Relative imports. Who cares? Bottom line is, let's see how we can navigate this structure. I went ahead and copied and pasted this in that shows the data structure of the package that we're dealing with. Okay, so the initial one is called sound, and underneath it there are 3 folders, and inside these 3 folders are the Python files. All right, so let's look at this one. From one dot import echo. Okay, so what are they doing here? Okay, they're going into here and getting this echo somehow. All right, so this is an actual Python file. Okay, yet in this one, the double dots, it looks to me like they're importing all of these Python files. Okay, now here's another double dot, but it's weird because now it has a filters before the import. So it's being a little more precise. It's going like, I want you to go to filters, and then I want you to take out the equalizer. Okay. Now all of these are a little different, and I guess it just depends on what the programming problem is that you're trying to solve. Okay, so those are the commands, and here's the data structure. Okay, here it's grabbing the echo, a Python program, and here it's importing everything in the folder, and here it's why you couldn't just do this and this kind of the same thing, I don't know. Anyway, there you go. All right, Now, this is going to be a short video. We're here. I can't really, run any code to show you how this works, at least not yet. What we'll do is, as we progress through the course, we might actually stop back and go back and refresh ourselves on this later. Okay? Anyway, with that said, go out, enjoy yourself today, have some fun, and try not to get into too much trouble.